then continue. Then the next one is Korbanos. Surprisingly, many poskim feel that women are obligated to recite the passage of Korbanos every day. They are obligated in Tefillah, which are substitute of the Korbanos. Sacrificial offerings brought in Beis HaMikdash, and therefore would be obligated in the passages of Korbanos as well. Okay, so let me finish reading before I. Okay. However, many disagree. Women are not obligated to contribute toward the Korbanos in Beis HaMikdash, and they would therefore be exempt from reciting Korbanos as well. This seems to be a prevalent custom among the women. For those women who say Korbanos, some passages have priority over others. For example, Korban Hatamid is one segment of the Korbanos that some women do recite. Okay, let's try to understand. So after we said all the beautiful blessings in the morning, blessing of the Torah, all these morning blessings, we said, okay, so next come in our Siddur, next come the sacrifices. Korbanos is the sacrifices. And it's very long, and so it takes usually, with normal speed, try to understand, like 20 minutes or so to say all the Korbanos from the beginning to the end, right? And he said, surprisingly many poskim so many poskim say that women should say it, should say this Korbanos, but as I said, it's 20 minutes, maybe she's very fast, maybe 15 minutes. But other poskim say no. Why say no? It's very interesting. So they say that women are not obligated to say Korbanos. Why? Because they were not obligated in contributed money toward the Korbanos. So all of the men, right, from above the age, I think 20 to 60, I think that's what was the age. So they had to contribute half a shekel every year, every man. And from that money, the temple would purchase the communal offering, and they would bring from everybody's money. So from my money, from your money, from everybody's money. So in every sacrifice, so I had some share, tiny, but some share, right? Since women are not obligated to contribute, right? Well, why is that not obligated to contribute? Because woman, if she's married, so she does not have money, so all the money belongs to her husband, almost all of the money belongs to the husband. So she's not obligated to contribute. He is, of course. Right, so this is the reason those poskim say that that she is exempt from Korbanos, right? And that's what most women don't do. They don't recite Korbanos unless if she has time, right? But if she decided to say Korban, if right, so they say Korban Hatamid. So there is a Korban Hatamid, is a daily offering, and it's described in details all of the daily offering. It's only one page, even with translation, right? It's not a lot, one paragraph maybe less than a page. Okay, so and it's if you see commentary in a Siddur, it says it's proper to say it standing while standing. Why? Because that's what we were doing. Right, we were standing in the Beis HaMikdash when our holy Kohanim were bringing the sacrifices, right? So all the people were standing. So in some sense, we are now in a temple, right? Let's say, right? That's what we should imagine, and I should stand and read the proper procedure. And second thing, it does not say here, but we know that second most important what is it? The segment is Ketoris, when they explain us how this frankincense were made and mixed, and what is the proportion, stuff like that. So they say very beautiful things that if you read it every day, it's a very auspicious thing to read. So it's going to protect you throughout the day. Okay.